It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's not the way you say it to my eyes.
Hello you all. I hope you all are doing well on today. Thank you so much for watching another one of my videos. So today I have the pleasure of working with West Kiss Hair, one of my favorite companies to work with. I love working with them. I have nothing but great experiences with them every time I work with them. So they sent me out one of their 13x4 frontal wigs. This is their wand curl texture. I have my wig in a 22 inch, 200% density. It is a medium cap, and I believe the lace color that I had was transparent. So the texture again this is their wand curl texture. So before you wash it, as you saw at the beginning, the curls are like a springy wand curl. Super cute. If you want to keep that curl, I would suggest you to not wash your wig. But me personally, I prefer to wash my wigs when I receive them and before installing them. So when you do wash it, you get this type of wavy situation here that you see. So it's more of a loose wave or a natural wave type of texture. I did bleach my knots and I plucked the hairline on this wig. I had no issues during that process, and to me the wig was great quality. If you're interested in this wig or this company, I will have all of the information in the description box for you. But yeah, I always love working with West Kiss because they really do have great quality wigs in my opinion. Of course, do your research if you're new to them, but me personally, I've honestly never had a bad experience with them. So I did enjoy this wig. Again, if you like the wand curl look, definitely try not to wash your wig so you can keep that look, and it will give you more of a big full look. Or of course you can always wash it and then go back in and recurl it, or rewind it, or do some flexi rod curls on it. But neither here nor there, I did enjoy this wig. So big shout out to West Kiss Hair again for sending me out this wig. And thank y'all so much for watching this video. I'm gonna shut my mouth. Y'all know how I do. I'm gonna shut my mouth and let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Love y'all so much.
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's not the way you say it to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You get away. On trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is send up pictures on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were. You don't really want it. I just wanna get away.